Imagine your entire city shrunk down into a single cell. The roads, delivery trucks, traffic cops, construction crews, all inside one microscopic neighborhood. Microtubules are the cell's highways, cranes, traffic rules rolled into one. Here's the hook. If microtubules stop working, life as we know it stalls. If they work, your neurons talk, your cells divide, and you stay alive. So let me show you why these tiny tubes are the unsung legends of your body's infrastructure. First, what are they? Hollow tubes built from repeating Lego-like tubulin. Two subunits, alpha and beta. They pair into dimers, stack dimers into 13 columns, wrap into a cylinder, boom, a microtubule. And they're dynamic. Dynamic how? They grow and shrink at their tips. Dynamic instability, like scaffolding popping up and disappearing. GTP-bound tubulin makes the tube grow. Lose the GTP cap, the end frays and collapses. This test and build lets cells probe space fast. Why it matters? 3 reasons. 1. Transport. Cargo moves. Proteins. Vesicles. Whole organelles. Microtubules are the tracks. Kinesin walks to the plus end. Dynin walks to the minus end. Each step uses ATP, tiny feet gripping and releasing. In neurons, tracks run axons, delivering supplies to synapses. Mess with that, and signals slow down or fail. 2. Cell division. Cells build a mitotic spindle, a microtubule catcher's mitt. It grabs chromosomes, lines them up, pulls copies apart. Chemo targets this. If the spindle can't form or change length, dividing cells stop. Paclitaxel stabilizes microtubules. Other drugs depolymerize them, result fast-dividing cells blocked. 3. Movement outside. Cilia, flagella, they move fluid in airways, push an egg along the fallopian tube, propel a sperm cell. Their rhythm comes from microtubules sliding, powered by dynin. Also, cell shape and resilience. Microtubules resist compression like tent poles. Actin cables pull inward. Together they make a flexible skeleton that adapts on the fly. They're tuned by maps. Maps stabilize or destabilize the lattice. In the brain, tau organizes axonal microtubules. When tau goes rogue, those tracks tangle, which shows up in certain neurodegenerative diseases. Okay, recap time. Microtubules are hollow protein tubes that serve as tracks for motor proteins moving cargo. They build the spindle that separates chromosomes during cell division, and they power the beating of cilia and flagella. They grow and shrink via dynamic instability, guided by GTP caps and tuned by maps. They're the city's highways, cranes, and traffic rules. So next time you take a breath, think, or heal a cut. Remember, somewhere inside, a million tiny construction projects are starting, stopping, and starting again, on schedule, because microtubules keep the city alive. That's microscopic engineering at its finest.